What's up, guys? We are literally in the new space update with my friend Torandoty, and we keep spinning around and we're stuck. So, like, look at him, guys.
Bye bye. Hi.
Let's go like this.
I'm actually about to
Oh, help me, chat. Help me, chat. Chat, help me. Chat, I am at 180 subscribers. Subscribe. Can you help me? Can you help me?
I can't jump onto another thing. There's enough. Oh, you're right there. I'll try to get to you.
Wait, how do you jump to the... Oh, I got out. I got out. Here, I'll come to yours. Hi. Here, I'll teach you how to get off. You just have to go. You have to try and get...
Wait, how do you spin?
Sorry, you just jump. You want to jump really far. Yeah. Oh, help me, help me, help me. Hi. Hello. I see you.
Oh no.
Wait, where did you go? Oh, hi. Here, take my, oh no. Here, this is how you get out. So you just jump onto here. Grab my hand, grab my hand. Grab my hand.
Okay.
Oh no. Here, grab my hand. Grab my hand. Okay, take it. Okay. Wait, what did I do to you? No, it's like this. I'm so tough I could do on the first try. See?
Dude, it's not. Okay, I can do it.
Bro, you literally have speed boost.
What do I do? Please help me, it's not even funny.
Grab my hand. Hurry, grab my hand.
Oh, I just...
Now try and get up.
Okay,
Bro,
wait, I got you.
It's easy. You just go like this. Here, come right here. Come right here.
I did it.
Okay. Coming.
Look at me.
Wait, okay, now I'm stuck.
Oh no.
I can do it on the first try. I can do it on the first try.
Help me.
Wait, where are you?
In here.
Hey.
Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Don't get on that.
Yo, I kind of need some help. I kind of need some. Okay. Bye, guys.
What, are you done recording?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll stop then.